Did you know the average family wastes over $2,200 on their cruise before they even step on board? Stick around. I'm dropping 15 booking hacks that slash that number to zero, starting right now. Welcome back, smart cruisers. Today, we're counting down 15 cruise booking hacks that can save you $1,000 or more, whether you're a first-timer or a platinum sailor. Let's dive in with hack number 15. Hack number 15, book during wave season. Like a ghost wave season runs January through March when cruise lines panic sell inventory. But here's the pro move. Set up Google alerts for your exact itinerary and pounce 48 hours after the initial sales drop and says, that's when they quietly slash prices further to hit quotas. Hack number 14. Use OpenJaw. Itineraries to fly one-way book. A cruise that starts in Miami and ends in San Juan. Airlines charge round-trip prices, even if you don't use the return leg. Combine this with repositioning cruises. We'll hit that later. And your flights can drop 60%. Hack number 13. The Guarantee Cabin. Gamble that pays off, select a GTY guarantee. Cabin at the lowest category. Cruise lines overbook premium cabins and must upgrade you for free. I've jumped from inside to balcony 3 times using this. Zero extra cost. Hack number 12. Join Facebook groups. But lurk first search cruise line deals groups. Members post unadvertised sales 24 to 48 hours before they hit public sites. Pro tip: sort by new and screenshot codes. They expire fast. Hack number 11. Book on board for future cruises. The 10% lie. Cruise lines advertise 10% off future bookings made on board. Reality? They stack this with onboard credit and let you transfer the booking to your travel agent within 30 days for even deeper discounts. Hack number 10. The 72-hour price drop. Rule: most cruise lines offer price protection within 72 hours of booking. Use cruisewatch.com to track your sailing. If the price drops $50 per person, call and get the difference as onboard credit. I've scored $400 this way. Hack number 9. Repositioning cruises are luxury stealth mode. These one-way cruises, like Europe to Caribbean in November, cost 40 to 60% less per night. Bonus: more sea days mean free spa passes and specialty dining comps to keep passengers happy. Hack number 8. Kids sail free. But only if you ask lines, like MSC and Royal Caribbean run kids sail free promos. They hide the eligible dates in fine print. Call the cruise line directly and ask for 3rd to 4th passenger free sailings. Agents have internal lists not shown online. Hack number 7. The casino rate. That beats loyalty programs? Even if you don't gamble, apply for a casino rate. Spend $0 on board but get the discounted fare. Cancel the casino booking later. The rate sticks. Works best with Carnival and Norwegian. Hack number 6. Book during hurricane season with this safety net. June-November Caribbean cruises drop 50%. Buy cancel for any reason insurance within 14 days of deposit. If a storm threatens, cancel up to 48 hours before and get 75-90% back. I've done this twice. Zero loss. Hack number 5. Use travel agent group rates. Solo travel agents block cabins at group rates months ahead. Call and ask to be added to an existing group block, even if you're alone. You get the group perks. Onboard credit. Free gratuities without needing 16 people. Hack number 4. The bid for upgrade. Sweet spot after booking the cheapest cabin. Bid for upgrades 60-90 days before sailing. The sweet spot. Bid 50% of the price difference. Lines accept lowball bids to fill premium cabins. I've upgraded to suites for $150 per person. Hack number 3. Military? Teacher, over 55? Stack these discounts. Most lines offer 5 to 10% off for these groups. Book the senior rate online, then call to stack military teacher discounts. They don't advertise stacking, but it works. Hack number 2. Book connecting cabins for solo travelers. Need space but traveling alone? Book 2. Connecting inside cabins during low season. Total cost often beats a single balcony. Cancel one cabin after final payment. Keep the rate, get the space. Hack number 1. The Placeholder. Booking that locks, future savings on board, buy a $250 Future cruise credit placeholder. You don't pick a date yet. Within 2 years, Apply it to any sailing and get up to $500 extra onboard credit. I have turned $250 into $1,200 in perks. There you have it. 15 booking hacks that just saved you $1,000 or more on your next cruise. The biggest mistake? Waiting for the perfect deal that never comes. Pick one hack, test it on your next booking, and watch the saving stack. Which hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to the first 50 with my secret bonus hack nobody talks about. Smash that like button if you're booking smarter now. Subscribe with notifications so you never miss a deal. And I'll see you in the next one. Fair winds and following seas.